Hello students, we have completed our chapter number 2, right? And I have received a copy of some students but not all students, so please complete your copy and submit it. Now here I am going to start with chapter number 3, that is the rational number. Chapter number 3, that is rational number. Rational numbers. So what is the rational numbers? Are numbers which is in the form of, write down the definition of rational number. Write down the definition. A number which is in the form of P by Q, which is in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integer. Where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. यहाँ पे Q 0 नहीं हो सकता. Q is not equal, is called rational number. Right? Which we can write in the form of P by Q, means any number which is like 1 by 2, 3 by 5, 5 by 8, 9 by 2, any number which we can write in the form of P by Q. Minus as well, right? 1 by 2, 3 by 2, minus 1 by 8, any number which we can write in the form of P by Q. This number is also a rational number. This number is also a rational number. Any number which we can write, which we can write in the form of P by Q is called rational numbers, right? So now let us solve the question. Let us come to the exercise 3.1. Exercise 3.1. Now first question of 3.1 is, write the following as a rational number. Right? So A is here 0, right? So how we can write is in the rational number? So rational number of 0 is, you can write here, rational number of 0 is, in answer you can write here, rational number of 0 is equal to 0 upon, there is nothing in 1, so we can write here 1. Right? This is the rational number of 0. Now B, what is the rational number of minus 67? What is the rational number of minus 67? So you can write here, rational number of minus 67 is rational number of minus 67 is equal to minus 67 upon 1. This is your answer. C, what is the rational number? So you can write here, rational number of 14 is equal to 14 upon 1. There is nothing in denominator, so you can write it. Any number which is in the form of P upon Q, so we have to write it in the form of P upon Q. So there is nothing in the denominator, then we can write here 1. Now come to the D. 3 divided by minus 5. So rational number of this is equal to 3 upon minus 5. I can write it like this way. So this is the rational number of minus 11. Right? Now come to the second question. Question number second. Write the following rational number in the standard form. So A part of question number 2 is 1 to 1 121 divided by 110. So how we can write it in the standard form? We can divide this number. When we divide by 11, so it will come here 121 upon minus 110. 11 1s are 11 or 0 as it is here. 11 1s are 11, 1 remaining, it will become 11, so 11 1s are 11, right? So standard form of this number is 11 upon minus 10. Don't forget to write this minus, right? Minus 10. This is your answer. Now come to the point B. This is minus 84 upon minus 27. So here you can cut minus. This minus will cancel out and cut down this by 3. 3 9s are 27 and 3 2s are 6, 2 remaining 24, it will become 24. So 3 adds are 24. So here your answer is 28 upon 9. Now come to the C part, that is minus 95 upon minus 19. So here minus 95 upon 19. Minus minus will be plus, minus minus will be cancelled out. 19 1s are 19, 19 5s are 95, 19 5s are 95. So here your answer is 5. 5 is your answer. Now come to the part D, that is 108 upon minus 21. Now 108 upon 21, to cut it by 3, 3 7s are 21 and 3 3s are 9, 1 remaining 18, 3 6s are 18. So 36 upon 7 is your answer, right? Now come to the question number 3rd. Question number 3rd is write 3 equivalent rational number for each of the following. We have to write here 3 equivalent rational number for each of the following. So I am going to write here equivalent rational number for A, that is a minus 4 by 7, right? Minus 4 by 7. So we have to write here equivalent rational number for this. So how we can write equivalent rational number? Solution of this equal to minus 4 by 7. We have to write 3, right? Read the question, 3 equivalent. So first is multiply this by 2. Minus 4 by 7 into multiply 2 by numerator as well as denominator. So 4 to the 8, minus 8 upon 7 to the 14. This is your first equivalent rational number. Now second one is divided by multiply it by 3 in numerator as well as denominator. 7 into 3, so it will become 4 3s are 12, so minus 12 upon 20, 7 3s are 21. This is your second rational number. Now 4 upon 7 is equal to minus 4 into divide up 4, multiply by 4. So 4 is equal to 4 4s are minus 16 upon 7 4s are 28. Right? These three are your equivalent numbers. So you can write here. So the three equivalent rational number of minus 4 by 7 is minus 8 by 14, 21 upon 12 upon 21, 12 upon 21, minus 16 upon 28. Right? These are the three equivalent numbers. Like this, you can solve the question part B and C and D. First you have to multiply by 2, then 3, then 4, right? And numerator as well as denominator. So you have to solve question number part A, B, C, B, C, D of question number 3. Come to the next question. Question number 4. that is identify the positive and negative integer. So here you have to just identify. So first a is equal to 4 by 5. So here it is in plus, so you can write here 4 by 5 is positive rational number, right? Now come to the b part is 7 by 8. So you can write here 7 by 8 minus 7 by 8 means here it is a negative, so you can write here minus 7 by 8 is a negative rational number. Write this, right? Negative rational number. Same, if I ask you about part E, that is minus 6 upon minus 14. So here minus 6 upon minus 14, so here minus will be cancelled out, so it will become positive. So 6 upon 14 will be remaining, so you can write here 6 upon positive is a positive rational number. Like this you have to write about C, D and F. Just you have to write down that it is a positive or it is a negative. Now come to the next question. Question number 5. It is a good question. Question number 5. Draw the number line and mark the following rational number on it. So first is a is a 0 upon 3. So 0 upon 3 will be equal to 0. So you can just draw here that 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, and here minus 1 come, minus 2 will come. So you can just mark here by drawing this that here it is our 0, because it is 0 upon 3 will be 0. Now second one is b is equal to minus 4 by 5, minus 4 by 5. So here draw a number line and mark here there is a 0 and there is a 1. Here it is in minus, so draw here minus 1, right? Draw here minus 1 and divide this. Here the denominator is 5, so let us divide each unit length on the number line in 5 equal part. Here denominator is 5, so divide this unit length means 0 to 1, divide this 0 to 1 into 5 equal part. So let us divide it. This is a 1 part, 2 part, 3 part and 4 part, and this one is a 5 part. Here what will come? Minus 1 upon 5. We are going in minus side. Here our minus 1, so it will 5 part of this. Minus 1 upon 5, it will minus 2 upon 5, it will come minus 3 upon 5, and it will be minus 4 upon 5. And here minus 5 upon 5 means minus 1. If you write here minus 5 upon 5 means it will cut down, it will come minus 1. So now we have to mark minus 4 by 5. Where it is minus 4 by 5? Here our minus 4 by 5. So you can mark here like this. You can draw here a circle and point down there. This is our minus 4 by 5. Like this you have to draw other numbers. I am not solving all the question here. I am going to solve question number. I am going to solving here question number E. Question number E, that is 3 by 4. How we can draw 3 by 4? Let us see. Here it is our 0, here somewhere 1, and here minus 1, right? So 1 here. Here denominator is 4, it is in plus, so it will come in plus direction, right hand side to the 0. If there is a minus, then it will come left hand side to the 0, like a previous one question. So here it is in, it will come in this direction. So you can write it here. Divide this unit length into 4 equal part, because here denominator is 4. So 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, and this one the 4 part. You can see this one the 1 part, this one 2 part, this is 3 part, and this is 4 part. Write down this 1 by 4, then 2 by 4, then 3 by 4, then 4 by 4, means it is equal to 1. So you have to mark 3 by 4. So here our 3 by 4. So draw a circle here like this and point there. This is our 3 by 4. Understand how we can draw? Now come to the next question. This is question number 6. If you are not understand any question, then message me that sir, I'm not understand this question, please solve this question again. So I will solve it again in our next video. If you will not message me or you will not text me, then how I can understand here? How can I understand here, right? So you have to text me if you are not understand. Now come to the next question. Question number 6 is identify the greater rational number in the given pair. Greater rational number means we have a pair here, so we have to find which one is the greater here. 4 by 7 and 5 by 9. 4 by 7 and 5 by 9. So let us take LCM of these two. How to find? I am telling. First take LCM of this two denominator. So our LCM of this two is equal to 7 9s are 36, right? 7 9s are 36. 9 into 4 36, and write down here and 9 7s are 36. 7 5s are 35. So which one is great out of these two? Here 36 is great, means this number is greater than this number. So you can write here like this: 4 by 7 is greater than 5 by 9 by seeing these two numbers. Here denominator is same, both of the digit denominator is same, so you can see this number, see this digit, and you can compare this with which one is a greater here. Like this you have to solve other question. I am solving here one more question. This is C. (10 upon 13) and -4 upon -3, right? So here if you see here, it will become here positive. -4 upon -3, it will become here positive. Minus will become positive. So you can take LCM. This is 2. 13 3s are 39. 13 3s are 39 into 3 will be 30 here, and 3 13s are 39, and it will come here 13 into 4. 13 into 4 will be 52, right? Yes, 52. So which one is greater here? 52 is greater one. So don't see that there is a minus. If there is a 1 minus, then it will be less. Like this. I will solve one more question so you can understand it. -4 will be greater than 10 by -4 upon -3 will be greater than 10 by 13. Now see one more question. Now you can solve B and D part. You can solve B and D part to solve this question. Two question. I am not solving here. Now come to the next question. Question number 7. Arrange the following rational number in ascending order. So here we have to find first that which one is the which number is the lowest and which number is the greatest. So 4 by 5 and 3 by 7 and -6 by 7. This is our -6 by -7. This is our first question. So now let us first arrange this 4 by 5 and 3 by 7 minus 3 by 7, and it will become here positive because minus minus will be cancelled out. So 6 by 7. Take LCM of this to 5, 7 and 7. So LCM of this is equal to 35. LCM of this 5 into 7 will be 35. You have to take LCM of this all three, 5, 7, 7. So it will come 35. 5 7s are 35, 7 4s are 28, and second one is 7 5s are 35 and 5 3s are 15 minus 15. Then third one is 7 5s are 35, 5 6s are 30. So this one is the here greatest number, and you see this is the lowest number. Why 15? Minus, you have to see minus as well. There is 0. If assume that this number is here, this number is here 8. If that number was means 8 minus 15, assume that if that was like this, then what happened? In this case also, this number is the lowest number and this number is the greatest number. How? Because if we see here, 15 will come somewhere here in minus, right? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 15 like this, but 8 will come here. So here below this it is a 0. This is the lowest number, means our scale will come like this. This is the lowest number, then greater, then greater, then greater. If we move right hand side, then our number will increase. So this one is the lowest number, and this after this and after this, if this was the case. So our case is here, this is the lowest number, so you can write it like this. This number is the lowest number, so minus 3 upon 7 is less than this number. This is the second digit, so 4 by 5, then it is the greatest digit, and 6 by 7, like this. This is your answer. So in this way you have to find B part, C part and D part, right? And same things you have to do in descending order. Same things you have to do in descending order. In next question. Question number 8. Same things you have to do here. What? Let us see in first question. That is 3 by 7 minus 4 by 14 and minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by minus 2, minus 1 by minus 2 and 8 by 7. So here this minus and this minus will become plus. You have to do it in next step by writing solution here, and you have to do one more, you have to write one more time here, and you have to do this here. This minus will be plus. So 3 by 7 and 4 by 14 and 1 by 2, 8 by 7 is remaining. Now let us take the LCM of this 4, 7, 14, 2 and 7. LCM of this all will be come 14, right? 7 2s are 14, 2 into 3 will be 6, 14 1s are 14 and 4 1s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14 and 8 into 2 will be equal to 16. 8 2s are 16. So here you can see this is our greatest number, then this one, then this one, then 4 is the smallest number. So we have to arrange here in descending order, right? In descending order. So we have to write it for first greatest number, means not this one, this one is our greatest number. This is for this, 16 for this, and 7 for this, and 4 for this, and this for this, right? So here this is our greatest number, means 8 by 7 is greater than minus 1 by, it was minus 1 by minus 2, ये क्या था, minus 1 by minus 2, then it is greater than this one. 3 by 7 is greater than this one, minus 4 by minus 14, like this. This is your answer. So in this way you have to solve B, C and D part. Now come to the next question, question number 9. This is also same question, question number 9, means minus 4 upon minus 16 and there is a blank, and minus 3 by 12. So in this blank you have to put greater one sign or less one sign or equal one sign, which will come here, right? So first you have to solve this. How you can solve it? By taking LCM of these two number, minus 4 upon minus 16 and minus 3 by 2. So minus minus will become plus here. LCM of these two will be 16, right? You can cut it also, but there is no need. We are doing it directly. 16 1 is 16, 16, 4 1 4 1 is 4, and 2 8 is 16, 8 3 is 2, 8 is 16, 8 3 is 24. It is minus, so here minus will come. So this number is less. Minus 24 is less than 4. Definitely minus 24 will come on this side of the in scale line, and 4 will come on this side from the 0. So this is the lower than this one. So here sign will come. You can see, by seeing this you can see that this number is greater than this number. This number is greater than this number, right? So in this way you have to solve question number B. C or D, right? Now come to the last question of this exercise, question number 10. Yes, find the absolute value of following. We have to find absolute value. Absolute value means, I think I have taught you about as absolute value. Absolute value means we have to put it into denominator in determinant, and it will come out, it will become positive. Here it is in positive, so absolute value of, you can write here, it will be 3 upon 13. So absolute value of value of 3 upon 13 is 3 upon 13. Same answer. Now come to the question number B, part B, that is a minus 5 upon 16. So when we put it into determinant, it will become positive here. There is a negative, so it will become positive, means it will become 5 by 16. So you can write here absolute value you can write here value of minus 5 by 16 is 5 by 16, like this. Like this you can solve question number C. Absolute value of C will come 2 by 11, and absolute value of D will come 7 by 15, and absolute value of E will come 19 by 23. But you have to write in this way. I told you answer, but you have to write in this way, proper way, like this. So here your homework is, I forget that which question I solved and which question I did not solve. First question number 3, part B, C and D. Question number 4, part C, D and F. Question number 5, C and E. And question number 6, B, C and D. Question number 7, B, C and D. Question number 8, B, C and D. Question number 9, B, C and D. This is your homework. Do it and send me photo of your copy, and complete your copy till chapter number 2, and send me the copy of chapter number 2 as well as this homework, right? If you have any doubt, then text me that, sir, this question I am not understanding how to solve this question. So I will solve this question in our next video. That's all for today. We will meet on next video.